Hello, welcome to my channel. Focus on skills. What are your goals? A hiring manager wants to know if you've set realistic expectations for your career, if you have ambition, and if the position aligns with your goals and growth. Having a plan for how you'll achieve your goals demonstrates your self motivation as well as organizational and time management skills. Be honest and specific about your goals for the future. Answer: my goal is to perform at an exceptional level. I can easily build relationships with clients and coworkers. I have a strong interest in learning new things and taking on new challenges. Whatever goals I set, I ensure to complete them within a stipulated time. What is your short-term goal? The best way to answer this question is to clearly understand your long-term development goals and how this position can help you achieve them. Ensure that your goals and plans align with the company's vision and career paths. Focus on the skills you want to develop and the types of roles you would like to be in. Answer: short-term goal is to get into a management position where I can use the knowledge and strengths I have. The last 5 years of my career, I've concentrated on learning and acquiring all the skills needed to perform excellent work. I have set a goal for myself to implement a process that increases work efficiency. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? This question helps the employer to understand how you imagine your life in the future and whether the path of the role and company fits in with your personal development goals. It is a way of checking if you have a forward-thinking mindset and ambition to grow alongside them, or if you're just a shooting star passing briefly through their galaxy. Skillfully navigate this question with confidence and clarity. Answer: my goal is to become a lead in 5 years. I see myself as a valued employee of a company. I believe I can achieve this goal through hard work. 5 years from now, I want to be an expert at my position and start training to be a manager. If I continue to work hard, I feel I'll have a management position soon. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? I am thrilled at the possibility of working with you for a long time. I'm very passionate about outreach and I'm looking forward to the opportunity to be heavily involved in this area. I want to continue gaining experience, and after learning many different aspects, I see myself in management. What does success mean to you? For me, success means to have a goal and to achieve it. I plan the steps to achieve the goal, implement the plan, and finally achieve the goal. To succeed is to complete a task on time in an excellent manner. What does failure mean to you? The key is to be honest without placing blame on other people. Then explain what you learned from your mistake and what actions you took to ensure it didn't happen again. Answer: I think to fail at something is making a mistake and not learning anything from it. Learning from the mistake will allow me to improve future projects or to simply not repeat them. How do you make important decisions? I'll gather all the information I can find and then apply my experience while analyzing the information. After examining all the facts, I would think about the outcome and consequences of each action, and after weighing the pros and cons, I would come to the best decision possible. How do you handle pressure? They want to know what strategies do you use to make decisions under pressure. They check if you possess the composure, analytical skills and foresight needed to handle tough calls when the stakes are high. Answer: I react to situation rather than to stress. Prioritizing my responsibilities, I have a clear idea of what needs to be done to manage effectively. In what ways do you manage your time well? One of my strong traits is management of time. I prioritize my tasks and this allows me to stay ahead of schedule. I manage my time well by planning out what I have to do. My time in a goal-oriented way is what I feel very comfortable doing. Why are you leaving your current job? They will naturally be curious to know why you want to change your job and looking for a new one. You'll score bonus points if you can tie your answer back to why the job you're applying for is a better fit because you'll be afforded more opportunities. Don't reveal reasons like bad boss or unchallenging work which send wrong signals. They may get doubts about your ability to cultivate good work relationships or your capabilities to endure adversities. Explain tactfully that you are ready to take on bigger challenges. Answer: I am ready for new challenges and the chance to make an impact in another position. After trying to make the job work, I realized I might find a better fit in a position that aligns more with my goals and aspirations. How much salary do you expect? Figure out your salary requirements ahead of time. You can offer a range you are comfortable with. Answer: salary is my second priority. I want to improve and enhance my knowledge. My salary expectations are in line with my experience and qualifications. You will pay me what I deserve. How do you feel if you are not hired? A tricky interview question. Right interviewers look for the best possible candidates and don't hesitate to select people who are more talented than themselves. Answer: I have full confidence in myself and my abilities and that I will secure another good job. While many of these traditional interview questions are still necessary to determine your experience and skills, it's good to mix things to get a complete picture of a potential employee. You should look into unconventional job interview questions and prepare for them also. While preparing, arm yourself with some smart, insightful answers. Unexpected questions like the following can provoke a more honest, insightful answer. Why are manholes round? In actuality, it's a good indicator of your intellect and you have to provide a thoughtful answer like, a circular cover fits easily and can be removed easily without much precision or rotating. This answer demonstrates your ability to see the necessity of specific solutions and ideally apply those same problem-solving skills. Which comes first, egg or chicken? Think of a smart answer like, whichever I order first in a restaurant. What was the last gift you gave someone? Such questions create an environment in which you feel more comfortable. It will elicit a warm, emotional response from you. It should reveal your character, helps to determine your values, strengths and how well you'd fit into their organization. Examples of such questions. Where would you go if you had to move across the country tomorrow? What is your usual routine for the day? What's the greatest challenge you've overcome? Why only mother tongue, no father tongue? They will help paint a fuller picture of a potential candidate. You must generate thought-provoking answers. At the end of the day, employers look for candidates who are self-aware, can take feedback and care about doing better. Next videos on group discussions.